Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, we're going to talk about how to turn internet leads, like meta ads and any type of ads that you're running, and getting the leads, and then how to turn those leads into booked appointments. So at State.io, over the past few months, we've been booking really good, high quality appointments for our clients, where we get them to meet face to face over Zoom call to talk about selling houses and buying houses. So real estate is one of the most competitive space, and getting those leads and booking them into appointments is not the easiest task. So in this video, I'm going to break down three-step framework on what's been working for us and how to get good quality appointments from your clients. So number one thing, when you're running ads and getting these internet leads, you got to understand the nature of the leads, which is very fast paced, attention driven environment. This the consumers, they're seeing bunch of ads coming all together. They're putting their information, and then they might even forget by the time you call them. So speed to lead is very important. You must respond immediately. So what we do is we set up a instant notification. So when the lead comes, you get a text message coming in saying you got a new lead. So you want to call them right away. And then people forget the ads in minutes. So you must focus on the timing of the outreach. So as soon as you get the leads, call that lead right away. So three-step framework. This framework basically helps me keep a level head, following a system that works, and booking those appointments. Number one, introduction. You want to be friendly, professional, neutral tone. Don't want to come in too aggressive. So what I like to do is, introduce myself first, say where I'm calling from and how I got their number. And then the next step is to discovery, which is ask them 3 to 5 questions to build trust. So the questions I like to ask is it has to be related to the service. So what got them to put in their information. Are they looking to are they still on the market to buy a house, and what is the timeline look like? Questions that will get them to the meeting. You want to keep it the straight line. You want to make sure you want to control the conversation. So if they get out of place, or the conversation is not going towards a meeting, you want to bring them back. So the straight line theory. And then what you want to do is offer the value after you basically ask the questions, build that trust with them. You want to offer the value. So what I like to do is hey, Mr. Customer, our real estate agent is very busy. They have a time slot here. They're ready to discuss your custom list, and what day are you free. So that way you're building that value, what you're giving them, and then create that scarcity and urgency. And then you want to add a call to action in the end, which is basically the booked appointment. Give them two options usually, which day works better for you, and then let them decide. So that's pretty much it. The introduction, ask them a question, offer the value, and then call to action. And then so the mindset is very important when it comes to booking appointments, especially over the phone. Not all will convert. You're gonna have wrong numbers. You're gonna have people just hang up, which are not interested. So you gotta remember, the internet leads usually 2 to 3% actually convert. So go in that mindset that not every single lead is going to convert. You just want to stay consistent, follow the framework, and remove the emotions out of it completely. And remember, you're not selling the service yet. You're just selling the next step, which is the meeting. So this mindset is very important when it comes to internal leads. Otherwise, you're going to get frustrated. People are going to start ghosting you, and you're going to think that system doesn't work. In reality, you just don't have the right mindset. So just to summarize again, ask the right questions. What made you click on the ad? What's your timeline? Are you pre-approved? So these are the questions I would ask, since it's in the real estate space. Create that curiosity. Mention something unique about your service. Hey, our realtor is creating a customized list for you, which the houses are not listed on the MLS yet. You're going to get access to exclusive houses in your area. and then reconfirm the appointment. Make sure to get some type of commitment from them, whether it's writing down the date, the time. Ask them to write any questions down, anything that you can get them to do any commitment up front. Even if it's not money, just if any small action is better than nothing. And then remember to have a professional attitude. Always respect the client's time and energy, because they get bombarded with calls because they're putting in their information. So you want to respect them, differentiate yourself from regular appointment setter or a sales call. Just I like to go in the mindset that I'm trying to help them make the right decision. I'm trying to see if they're even a good fit, if they're even worth my client's time. So that's what I like to say. But everybody has their own different style. But you must have a framework. You must have some type of plan going into the call, and speed to lead is very important. So that's pretty much it. If you follow this framework, you'll book bunch of appointments. If you're interested in working, with us one on one, getting booked appointments is a great time to get buyer leads. Book a call with me, and yeah, we'll talk soon. Thank you so much.